Deep in the forest, beneath this giant tree, a secret project begins.
Today, we build a hidden underground house. This tree will hide everything. First, prepare the tools. Clearing the ground. This will be the entrance. Let's start digging. Soft forest soil makes it easier. The underground space slowly appears.
A secret home, hidden from the world.
The roots create natural protection.
Adding support for safety. A friend joins the project. Two builders, faster progress. The chamber gets deeper. Time to build the floor. Solid and quiet. Next, the walls. The hidden room is forming. Light for the darkness. A ladder for the entrance. Easy access underground. A hidden door. No one will notice. Perfect camouflage. Storage shelves. A tiny workspace. A cozy bed. Warm and peaceful. Making it comfortable.
Here are the blankets and supplies.
Perfect, thanks. Fresh air tunnel.
Hidden ventilation. A natural underground home.
Quiet and secret. The forest protects it. Rain above. Warm shelter below. A peaceful moment. Silent and calm. The perfect hidden escape. A secret place in nature.
Protected by the forest.
Safe and quiet. The secret remains hidden.
No one will ever know.
A new day begins.
The forest wakes up.
The secret stays safe.
Some secrets belong to nature. and beneath this tree a hidden home.